Good morning. I have been trained in the examination of question documents, which includes the analysis of handwriting, signatures, ink, paper, printing processes, and other physical and microscopic characteristics of documents. My work involves applying established forensic methodologies and comparative analysis to determine whether the document is genuine, altered, forged, or otherwise questioned. The purpose of this examination is to analyze and evaluate the question writing discovered near the victim's vehicle following a crash incident. The examination aims to determine the characteristics, authenticity, and possible authorship of the document and identity of any signs of alteration or forgery. The first one is the ink is different of a pen that the victim always used. The second one is that the signature which the stroke show hesitance and probably a shaky hand. The third one, as you can see, the word love shows the hesitation and frustration in pressure. That's all. Thank you very much.
Na yung naging pagkain mo.